Hello, fellow gardeners and nature enthusiasts. Welcome back to Poop It Garden, your go-to space for turning small seeds into big, beautiful dreams. Whether you're just starting your gardening journey or have been planting for years, there's one thing we all have in common. We've all made mistakes in the garden. The truth is, gardening isn't about perfection. It's about learning. Every plant you grow, every season you go through, teaches you something new. But here's the thing. Some mistakes are so common that almost every gardener makes them at least once. And while these mistakes may seem small, they can be the reason your plants aren't thriving as much as they could. So today, I'm going to share 5 of the most common gardening mistakes, and, more importantly, how to avoid them. This way, you can give your plants the best chance to grow strong, healthy, and beautiful without the unnecessary struggles. If you've ever felt frustrated because your plants aren't growing as you hoped, stay tuned, because this video might be the game changer you need. 1. Overwatering your plants. One of the easiest mistakes to make is giving your plants too much water. While water is essential for growth, too much can suffocate roots, encourage fungus, and cause root rot. Many beginners think watering every day is necessary, but most plants actually prefer deep, less frequent watering. The solution? Check the soil first. If the top inch is dry, it's time to water. And remember, morning is the best time to water to give plants time to dry before nightfall. 2. Planting in the wrong location. Sunlight is the lifeblood of plants, but not all plants need the same amount. Planting a sun-loving tomato in deep shade or a shade-loving fern in full sun will lead to disappointment. Always read the plant label or do quick research before planting. Observe your garden for a few days. Note where the sun hits and for how long. Matching plants to their preferred light conditions will make a world of difference. 3. Ignoring soil health. You can water perfectly and give the right amount of sun, but if your soil is poor, your plants will still struggle. Soil isn't just dirt. It's a living ecosystem full of nutrients and microorganisms. Many gardeners overlook this, planting straight into hard, depleted soil. To fix this, enrich your soil regularly with compost or organic matter, and avoid overusing chemical fertilizers that can harm soil life. 4. Crowding your plants. We all want a lush, full garden, but planting too close together is a recipe for trouble. Overcrowding limits airflow, increases competition for nutrients, and creates a perfect environment for pests and diseases. Always follow the spacing recommendations for each plant, even if it looks too empty at first. Trust me, your plants will grow and fill the space beautifully over time. 5. Skipping pest and disease. Checks out of sight, out of mind? Not in the garden. A small pest problem today can become a major infestation tomorrow. The same goes for plant diseases. Make it a habit to inspect your plants at least twice a week. Look under leaves, check stems, and notice any changes in color or growth. Early detection is the key to controlling problems before they spread. And there you have it. 5 of the most common gardening mistakes and how to avoid them. Remember, every gardener makes mistakes, even the most experienced ones. The difference is that successful gardeners see mistakes not as failures, but as lessons. Gardening is a journey filled with trial and error, patience and reward. Every time you learn something new, whether it's about watering, soil, or pest control, you're becoming a better caretaker of your plants. So don't be too hard on yourself. Your garden doesn't need perfection. It needs consistency, love, and a bit of curiosity. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Poop It Garden, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our future videos packed with gardening wisdom. I'd also love to hear from you. What's the biggest gardening mistake you've made? And what did you learn from it? Share your stories in the comments below. Until next time, keep your hands in the soil, your heart in the garden, and may your plants always grow as beautifully as your dreams.